it's Mia from Rose Nails by Maria Slade Coombs, and today I'm going to be using the SBD London Builder Gels. I'm going to be using the turquoise and purple pastel builder gels to create a sort of glitter marble milk bath nail. So first of all, I'm just going in and I'm just kind of roughly splodging the purple and the turquoise builder gel all over the nail, and I will keep to those colours in those areas, if that makes sense. I will sort of show you what I mean later on. And I'm just going to get a fine detailer brush and marble those through from top at the right to bottom down at the left, and I always marble in the same direction all the way through a design. So once you've done that, I've just got some bits of dried flour, and I've got the SBD London Mermaid 1 glitter that I'm going to be using through the design as well. And I'm just going to use my detailer brush that's got a little bit of the builder gel on it already, just to pick up some bits of flour and pop them where I want them on my design. This has still got the wet layer of builder gel, by the way, so this is not cured yet. So I'm just going to run some glitter through that as well. Again, the glitter is going from top right to bottom left. I always sort of keep the same flow through the design, so everything's going in the same direction and it just flows nicely and it's just a bit more appealing to the eye. So once that's all done, I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to repeat the whole process. So this is what I meant when I said that I was going to follow the same colours. So wherever I've put purple, I will put purple again. Wherever I've put the blue, I will put the blue again. And then I'll just marble them together, because then you're building up that colour intensity all the way through. Whereas if you didn't do that, it would just be a bit sort of wishy-washy, and you'd see that it was blue and purple, but it wouldn't be very defined in some of the areas, and I wanted to keep some of the areas a bit more defined with their colour. So again, repeating exactly the same process, I am going to marble these through with my detailer brush in the same direction, and then I'm going to go in with my flowers and my glitter. With the flower placements, just make sure that, you know, like where you can see that there's like quite a large section of blue flowers underneath that we're encapsulating. Obviously don't put blue flowers right next to it, or it's going to look like one big blob. So try and just sort of work out your colour placement from what you've already encapsulated as well. And then I'm just going in with a little bit more glitter. And then once that's done, you can cure for a further 60 seconds. Okay, so we're just going to repeat the exact same process one final time. Again, sticking the purple on top of the purple, sticking the blue on top of the blue, and marbling the whole thing through, adding flowers and glitter as we go. So I'm just going to leave you with that, and I'll be back as soon as that's all done. Okay, now that that's all done, we're going to go in with our clear glitter builder from SBD London, and I'm just going to encapsulate the whole thing. This is where you could be adding apex if you need it, which I'm just going to add a very minimal one as it's not on an actual human being, and then give that a cure for 60 seconds. And then I'm just going to cleanse away that sticky inhibition layer on the nail. And I'm going to go in with my normal filing routine. Actually, that's a complete lie. I'm not going to go in my normal filing routine because I cannot do my normal filing routine on these tips. I find that I file really wonky and there's like no rhyme or reason when I'm doing these tips. Normally when I'm working on a client, I do sidewalls, free edge, cuticle area, and then contouring the whole nail down. And I do the same sort of process on each nail. With these tips, I literally just file wherever my finger isn't. So this is not my usual filing routine, but it gets the same effect in the end. But I cannot file on these things. Just find them really awkward. But anyway, once you're done with your filing routine, you can pop it back on your tip stand and just cleanse away that dust layer. So you can see it's created this gorgeous marble. And I'm going to go in with my SBD London Tempering Top Coat, which is one of my all-time faves, and give this a nice layer of shiny top coat. And then all of the SBD London top coats and polishes and stuff, they all cure for 60 seconds. So I'm just going to pop that into the lamp to reveal this beautiful marble nail. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. I really enjoyed sort of merging together encapsulation and glitter and milk bath and marble and just a little bit of everything really. It was really nice. And it turned out really beautifully. I'd love to do a whole set. Thanks ever so much.